A group of youth on Tuesday threatened to approach the High Court of Meghalaya if the state government fails to rectify the irregularity in upper age limit set for recruitment to vacancies in Meghalaya Police. The group of youth, led by youth activist Barilang Pangrop, submitted a memorandum to Home Police Department Secretary Cyril V. Dingdo. While speaking to reporters after submitting the memorandum, Pangrop said that if the government failed to rectify the irregularities which they have pointed out, then they will have no other option but to approach the court.
Nilai irregularities, belum illegal route, bayar age change dengan notification kembangan partai. Dengan notification ngelang beli nak buat CV denda, keempat dan notification yang yet to be released. Dia kini ibu anki jengkeli kemudian ki change ke age limit yang notification ini. Di bintang ni wan submit ya written representation ni iba ki revised guidelines ki book yang ka notification kan ka kadang 115 presentation di damban sia ti kum bahasa just lang ki samla baro ngin damban sia ngin habit syakon namar ba ngina ki ban susha adat kini ka dadai ban kai ki belong legal ho ni iba kim board ka kum ka notification